Okay, so I'm out here in this park, and I'd stop and say, look at this. Our city offers the opportunity to have your own garden. And there's probably, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 empty plots. There's so many opportunities that people don't take advantage of that could benefit them, that could change their life. If you never plant the seed, you can't reap the harvest. So look around you. There are opportunities. It's like that book, Acres of Diamonds. Diamonds were laying in the backyard, but if you never take a look to see what you can pick up, you miss those opportunities. Don't miss your opportunities. Only stay facing what you're used to. Go look for some new stuff. Go take an opportunity. Take a risk. Because with big risk comes big rewards.